Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in St. Mary and we're giving you a tour of the Westmoreland Bridge. Now, I'm not sure how a bridge in St. Mary is named Westmoreland, which is a parish in the western part of Jamaica. But this is the Westmoreland Bridge and it connects you from Junction to Highgate. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this bridge, and it's one of the longest bridges in Jamaica. It's not the longest, but one of. The Westmoreland Bridge in St. Mary, Jamaica is a vital piece of infrastructure with historical significance and practical importance, particularly for the residents of the region. The bridge spans the Wagwater River, a notable river in Jamaica's St. Mary Parish, and connects several communities along the north coast to each other and to the larger towns and cities nearby. Given Jamaica's topography and the region's exposure to seasonal rains and tropical weather systems, the Westmoreland Bridge has long been essential in maintaining access and supporting the daily lives of residents in St. Mary. Historically, St. Mary is one of Jamaica's oldest parishes, rich in agricultural lands and vibrant communities that have long depended on reliable transport routes. The Wagwater River, which the Westmoreland Bridge crosses, runs through areas that are prone to flooding, especially during the hurricane season, which affects the region from June to November. The bridge itself has endured many weather-related challenges, including significant storms and hurricanes that have repeatedly tested its durability. In particular, events like Hurricane Gilbert in 1988 and Hurricane Ivan in 2004 highlighted the need for strong and resilient infrastructure in Jamaica's vulnerable regions. The Westmoreland Bridge has undergone various phases of repair, reconstruction, and reinforcement over the years, as government agencies and local authorities work to ensure its stability. Due to periodic damage from flooding, maintenance of the bridge is not only costly but also essential for the economic vitality of the region. The bridge is a key connection for farmers who transport produce such as bananas, coconuts, and citrus fruits to markets, as St. Mary is known for its agricultural output. Any disruptions to the bridge's accessibility can have significant economic impacts, as goods may spoil or farmers may face financial losses due to delays. In recent years, the government has invested in reinforcing infrastructure to withstand Jamaica's climate challenges, and the Westmoreland Bridge is no exception. Steps have been taken to improve the resilience to floodwaters and heavy rains, including better drainage systems, strengthened foundations, and improvements in surrounding embankments to protect against erosion. Such measures not only safeguard the bridge itself but also improve safety for the many residents and commuters who rely on it. The Westmoreland Bridge in St. Mary, Jamaica is more than just a crossing over the Wag River. It is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the Jamaican people and their infrastructure. It plays an indispensable role in the economic and social life of St. Mary communities, symbolizing both the challenges and achievements in building infrastructure that meets the needs of a region subject to harsh environmental conditions. Alright guys, so that's the end of the article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And if anybody knows how this bridge has got the name Westmoreland Bridge, let us know. Leave it in the comment section below. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day. We're driving towards the town of Highgate in St. Mary. Alright guys, have a good day.